Welcome to Simple Daily English. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today is a very long and interesting day. Max and I are finally returning home after our wonderful vacation. We are at the airport, but we have a very big, confusing problem with our luggage.
Hi, friends. I am so tired. We had a very long flight, and my eyes are closing. Now we are standing at the baggage claim area. I am looking at the carousel, but I don't see my bag yet. I just want to go home.
Look, Max, the belt is moving. There are many bags coming out now. Look at that black suitcase. It looks exactly like yours. It has the same size, the same shape, and the same black color.
You are right, Lily. That must be it. This is my bag. I am 100% sure. Let's go to the exit and find a taxi. I want to be in my own bed in 1 hour.
Wait a minute, Max. Stop. Don't walk away yet. Something feels wrong. Look at the luggage tag on the side of the handle. This tag says, Mr. Smith. Your name is Max.
Oh no, you are right. This is not my bag at all. But look, Lily, the carousel is starting to slow down. There are only 3 bags left, and none of them are mine. My suitcase is gone.
Max, this is a disaster. If we have Mr. Smith's bag here, that means Mr. Smith has your bag. He probably took your luggage by mistake 5 minutes ago and left the airport already.
What? This is terrible. All my new clothes are in that bag, my vacation souvenirs, my expensive camera, and my favorite running shoes are all inside. I am very, very nervous now.
Don't panic, Max. Breathing fast doesn't help. We need to be logical. We must go to the Lost and Found office immediately. It is over there, near the information desk and the security doors.
Hello, please help us. We have a big problem. I think another passenger took my bag by mistake, and I have his bag here with me.
Hello. Stay calm, please. This happens very often. Can I see the luggage receipt? It is the small sticker on the back of your boarding pass, and I need to see the bag you have now.
Here is the receipt for Max's bag, and here is Mr. Smith's suitcase. We didn't open it. We just saw the name on the tag.
My bag is also black and medium size, but it has a small red ribbon tied to the handle. I put it there so I could find it easily. Did anyone see a bag with a red ribbon?
Let me check our computer system. Oh, wait. I see a message. We just received a phone call from a Mr. Smith. He is at the taxi stand outside. He says he just opened his trunk and saw a bag with a red ribbon and the name Max on the tag.
Oh, thank goodness. He is still at the airport. He didn't leave in the taxi yet.
Can we meet him? We need to exchange the bags as soon as possible. We have his clothes, and he has ours.
Yes, I talked to him. He is walking back to the arrivals hall right now. Please wait here for 5 minutes.
Lily, I feel so silly. I am an adult, but I didn't check the name on the bag before I walked away. I was just too tired to think.
It's okay, Max. When people are tired, they make mistakes. Many suitcases look like twins. In the future, we should use a bright luggage cover or a very big, unique sticker so this never happens again.
Look! There is a man in a blue jacket walking toward us. He looks worried, and he is carrying a black bag. I can see the red ribbon from here. That is my bag.
Hello. Are you Max? I am so incredibly sorry. I was in a big hurry to catch my taxi, and I just grabbed the first black bag I saw. They look exactly the same.
Hello, Mr. Smith. It is no problem at all. I am happy you caught the mistake quickly. I did the same thing. I took your bag too. Here is your suitcase, safe and sound.
Thank you so much. Next time I will buy a yellow suitcase.
Everyone is happy now. The problem is fixed, and we have our own luggage back. Yes,
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Have a safe journey home. Now, Lily, let's go to the taxi stand for real this time. I am holding my bag very tightly.
but first, let's check the tag one more time. Is this definitely yours, Max?
Yes. Name Max. Address. My apartment. Red ribbon. Yes. It is definitely 100% mine.
Friends, let's review our airport and luggage vocabulary from today's story. Luggage, baggage. The suitcases and bags you take with you on a trip. Baggage claim. The specific area in the airport where you collect your bags after your flight lands. Carousel. The moving circular belt that carries the suitcases to the passengers. Luggage tag. A small card or sticker on your bag that has your name, address, and phone number. Exchange. To give one thing to a person and receive another thing back.
Friends, tell us, have you ever mixed up your luggage with a stranger at the airport or on a bus? It is a very scary moment.
What do you do to make your suitcase look different from everyone else's? Do you use a colorful ribbon, a bright sticker, or a special luggage belt?
Tell us your travel stories in the comments. We love reading them, and it is a great way for you to practice your English writing.
If you liked our story about the suitcase mix-up, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have many more Lily and Max adventures coming soon to help you learn.
We are finally leaving the airport. I am going to go home and have a hot cup of tea.
And I am going to buy a neon green suitcase tomorrow.
Goodbye, everyone. Safe travels.
Bye-bye. See you in our next English lesson.